The responding officers attempted to make contact with the individual, whom callers stated retreated to his room on the second floor of the motel.
Whatever. I'm gonna go knock on 112.
The suspect, later identified as 44-year-old Jose Iruegas, emerged from the room brandishing a gun.
Police department!
The officer directed Iruegas to drop the gun, but instead Iruegas pointed the gun toward the officer. The officer, along with another officer at ground level, then opened fire on Iruegas.
Drop the gun!
Surveillance footage from the property shows Iruegas exit his room and point the gun at the officer nearest to his door. This is video from the second officer's body camera.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Iruegas was taken to University Hospital with multiple gunshot wounds. No one else was injured during this incident. Iruegas' firearm was later determined to be a BB gun, indistinguishable from a real firearm. Iruegas is facing 2 charges of terroristic threat against a peace officer.